How's it going, buds and beauties? Welcome to Life of Man. And yes, it is true that I've been using the boAt Airdopes 441 from the past 4 days. And let me make sure that on 4 days back, the charging case of the Airdopes, let me just show you. The charging case of the boAt Airdopes just I think 1.5 hours ago was showing red light meant, and also like 4 days back it was showing red light, meaning the charging case didn't had any battery, and the boAt Airdopes are draining from 100%, like they're draining from 100 to 90 to 80. They're not going back to the charging case to getting charged. Basically the charging case was all drained out 4 days back, and now after 4 days it has totally drained out. As you can see, there is no light whatsoever on the case. There's just red light showing on these Airdopes, but they are not connecting. Basically they are at 0% battery. Now also I haven't charged the charging case from the past 4 days, and now the moment of the truth. I've been using these boAt Airdopes from the past 4 days now. Majorly I use them in my workout sessions, and my workout sessions are generally 1 hour long, maximum of 1 hour. I mean maximum 1 hour, also including the commute, because my workouts usually gets over in 40 to 45 minutes. I don't waste time in gym. I used to waste time in gym when I didn't know what to do, and basically you waste a lot of time doing random exercises. Now I don't waste time. I do my workout in 45 minutes max, and then there is about 25 minutes of commute, going and coming back to my home. That 1 hour of workout plus commute, I use my boAt Airdopes at about 80 to 90% of volume, like maxed out volume and high bass. Amazing workout sessions. I listen to a lot of pop songs, and that are like in number one in the top hits in the UK list and the US list. I listen to them a lot. Right now my favorite track is Sweet Melody. Amazing beats, guys. Must listen to that song if you haven't heard that song. Amazing song. And then what are the things that I use my boAt Airdopes in my last 4 days? So I have used them during some calls during my work, and I have also used them while editing. I would say that mostly like 2 to 2.5 hours I've used them collectively in the last 4 days, apart from my workouts. So my workout 4 hours, plus if you really stretch the time, maybe like 6 hours I have used these boAt Airdopes from the past 4 days. And today I was just coming back from my gym. I was seeing that, oh my god, it's still at 30%. I've used them for 6 hours in the past 4 days, and it's still at 30%. How are they doing this? And also, like, after 1 hour of my workout, I was at 50% today when I plugged them in, when I came to the gym, and when I was going out, I was at 30% battery. So only 20% used in an hour. If you even take that and multiply by 5, that will make 100% of the usage, and that will make 5 hours of usage. And in the past 4 days I've actually got more than 5 hours already, and with 30% left on the boAt Airdopes. And when I came back from the gym, I also used them to watch some YouTube videos for about half an hour or 45 minutes. And then when I checked right now, when I'm making this video, and the boAt Airdopes are all drained out. Now on the boAt website it is written that you get non-stop music for 5 hours. As you can see, you can see that non-stop music for 5 hours, and this is the boAt official website. I'm not sure how I got more than 5 hours and still some juice left. I got about 6.5 to 7 hours of battery life on the boAt Airdopes. That is just incredible, and that is why I haven't returned them, but I have returned the Realme Buds and the OnePlus Bud Z. Well, This is serious when a serious OnePlus user has returned a OnePlus product and is keeping the boAt product. This is seriously amazing battery life that I'm getting on this boAt Airdopes, and this is real life usage of a user. I've been using them from the past 3 weeks. I've also told that these are my daily driver for gym and for some work. I mean, gym, I take them always. If I don't take them, I don't go to the gym. Also, in this video, I want to address a problem slash a hiccup in this boAt Airdopes. Everyone is facing this hiccup, is the hiss sound when you plug them in your ears and when there is no music playing. There is a automatic electric sound, hiss sound that you get in the boAt Airdopes only when the music is not playing. When you play the music, the electric sound is gone. So I have researched a bit, and this is kind of electric sound that you get in some electronic equipments when there is problem in wiring or something. But I have seen a lot of comments of people. I mean, all of the people are saying that they are getting the electric hiss noise. First, I thought that this is something weird in my eardopes. I also used my JBL T460 BT over the ear headphones, and these headphones also have that electric hiss sound. So I have researched it a bit, and I've just found that some electronic equipments do possess this hiss sound. I don't know, it's about how they have made, and I seriously haven't researched a lot, but all that I can say is that they are not defective if you're getting the hiss sound. If the sound quality is good, if they come in good packaging, sealed packaging, and they sound good, they have a good bass, the product is all good. I've also used these boAt Airdopes to watch The Boys. Basically, I use these bad boys to watch The Boys. Pun number one, yeah. And all that I'm saying is that these boAt Airdopes are super dope. Okay, that's pun number two, right? Yeah. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you did, thumbs up the video. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos on your way. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and wash. Alright, I'm gonna put this down and wash your hands.